Welcome back, guys. Today we will be showing you how to make brown butter honey garlic shrimp. Your first ingredient will be half a cup of soy sauce. Then 3 tablespoons of garlic. 4 tablespoons of honey. The juice of a lime. Give it a quick mix and set it aside as we will need it later on. To make the shrimp batter for frying, you will need 4 egg whites and 2/3 cup of cornstarch. Whisk until it's lump-free and well incorporated. Add 2 pounds of shrimp to the batter. We added half of the shrimp first and mixed well, then added the rest later. Shallow fry the shrimp with 4 tablespoons of oil. We recommend adding the shrimp one at a time to allow them to crisp evenly. Make sure they don't overlap each other as they can stick together. It is a time-consuming step, but well worth it. Flip after 3 minutes or until it's golden brown. They should be brown and crispy. On a larger pan, add 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Melt on low heat until it starts to brown. Carefully add the sauce we set aside. Simmer on low heat. Allow the sauce to thicken. Now carefully add all of your shrimp. Evenly coat each piece. And lastly, if you'd like, you can garnish with sesame seeds. This dish can be served as an appetizer or over a bed of rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know if you try it out. See you in our next video.